Alright guys, what's going on? We're back in the shop today. Here at the, where we do all of our other repairs at. And formerly known as Hillbilly's Rod Shop is what we have named it. That's where we're keeping all of the good stuff here, the Camaro, and of course, the muscle truck. But today, we're doing truck stuff as well to the Z, to the daily driver. And we're going to take care of these pesky fogged over stock lights. You can see the discoloration and the fog is awful on these stock lights. So we're going to be replacing those today with these slightly gently used Craigslist black housings. They're in pretty good shape. I got them maybe a little bit cheaper than what you can get them for online. First thing we're going to do is start pulling these tabs and get ready to change them out. But first, let's get a little look at the stock, what we're working with factory here. So let's jump right into the installation. So the first thing we need to do to get these guys out, looks like they just pull out actually. Yep, these clips just come right out. And headlight pops right out. That's easy enough. Wow, GM, thanks for making this one really easy on a guy. This is awful nice of him. You just pull your two bulbs loose. Finally. Okay. And the side marker just twists out too. If it's not locked into place like mine is, there we go. Stock headlight's got a little fog in it. I mean, I'm sure there's probably a way to reseal these, and they're probably perfectly fine, but you can see the discolorization of them, and the stock lights have this kind of not so crystal clear lens housing. So when compared to these guys, probably a little darker. Let's get this other light out. Same way. Powder. Very nice stock light. A little bit of mud never hurt. Passenger side is out. You can see the discolorization a little bit. The passenger side was actually in pretty decent shape. So if anybody wants to deal in some stock headlights that you may be able to reseal, come see me. I'm your guy. There we go. Shoo. Everything on this truck was sealed up tight. So yeah, there's your clip. Here's where it comes out of. You can see all the mounting positions. It slides right in. Nice stock lights though, nothing really wrong with them. Just changing it up a little bit, guys. Seeing how the blacked out housings look. Alright. Light number 2 is out. There's all your tabs and stuff, so let's compare them and see how well this particular company. Now, I'm not familiar with what brand these are or anything, so bear in mind with me. Looks like they line up pretty good, so I guess the fitment's going to be alright. Well, let's throw them in and see what we got. Or if somebody has no patience when you're putting these in, I feel like that could become a factor as well. Okay. Fit on that was pretty good. Let's see if this part goes as well as anticipated. Let's give it a knock, and you're seated. Now you have a black housing light. It's actually pretty nice. It goes well. Let's see how they fit in here, guys. Let's see if GM did their homework on this. Aha! Not a bad light. Let's put these back on. reckon that's how those go. I'm no pro by any means, but I think that's it. Okay guys, there is one headlight installed, and the fit is, there we go, a little better now. Move it around a little bit. Not bad. And let's see, give it a wiggle and a nudge and a thump, and you're in. Kind of had to bump it on in there. The fit on this driver's side here is a little at first. It's not too bad. I spent more time looking for parts and tools than I did anything. There you go. There is the black headlight install. And it wasn't hard to do. I've got mud everywhere now because the stock lights were filled with it. Man, it looks awesome. I really like that. That's a nice new look for the Z. I feel like that definitely improved the look of the front. Wow. Alright, yeah. The look is nice and updated. It definitely has this sort of a blacked out appearance to it now with these new lights in it. We're going to clean these up a little bit though. They were a little dusty and had a few little scratches and stuff from where the guy who had these lights before, I'm assuming, was storing them or moving them around or something. But overall, not bad for a Craigslist last minute find just to throw some lights in here and see what they look like. So anyway, be sure and follow me on all social media, Instagram or Snapchat or anything like that. You can find me on there. I'm always doing truck stuff. Like I said, this is mostly a truck car based channel, but most of the stuff that we put out is truck, concerning trucks. So if you like the muscle truck, be sure and subscribe. If you like the Zr2, be sure and subscribe too. You know, we got plenty of stuff coming up for both of these. Definitely want to stick around on this one. We're going to be pulling the engine soon and looking at an LS engine. We're possibly upgrading to a 4-bolt main 350, which would allow me to upgrade and do a little more power and all that good stuff. But as of right now, of course, you guys know we're running a 5-speed in this truck, and you kind of have to be careful with these little NV3500s. They'll only hold so much. That will conclude the headlight installation on the Zr2. I hope this gives you guys a little idea of what the job's like and the final result. If you do change these out, this is what you're getting into. So I don't know how long this took me, maybe 15 or 20 minutes tops. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and stay tuned. I've got plenty more coming here in this garage. Anyways, I'm out.